Hey everyone, welcome back to TechnoWaves, your one-stop channel for latest tech updates and gadget review. If you are into DIY projects, gadget repairs, or just love having the right tools at your fingertips, so today's video is for you. We are reviewing a precision screwdriver set that claims to be perfect for electronics, laptops, smartphones, and more. So let's see what inside. Here we can see the main precision screwdriver. This is the main screwdriver handle with an anti-slip grip, as you can see in green color. And also we get multiple magnetic screwdriver bits in various sizes. Screw up any devices or hardware things. We can easily just you can see various sizes, Phillips, feathered, and even Torx, and even some specialty bits for tiny screws. Mini carrying case to keep everything organized, and a small extension rod for hard to reach areas. You can see, just insert here and you can easily remove any screws. Yeah. Now let's talk about the build quality. The bits are made up of high-grade chrome vanadium steel, which means they are strong and durable. The handle feels solid but lightweight with 360-degree rotating cap at the back or smooth operation. You can see the magnetic tips ensures screws don't fall off while working. A small must-have features for small electronics. Now it's time to put it on the test. So inserting is super easy. For using this handle, if you want to insert this screw bit, you have to just pack this ring and insert this bit inside. Yes, you can see. Now we can easily screw up any screws and tools. This rotation caps makes it super easy and smooth to tighten or loosen the screws without hand fatigue. Honestly, it feels comfortable and precise, which is exactly what you need for delicate work. Now you have understand, guys, how to use this. I have taken another screw bit. See, now put back once again and insert the screw and just put them back. So about its pros and cons, it is very compact, organized design, strong magnetic bits, perfect for small screws, comfortable grip, and smooth rotation, variety of bits for different devices. So is this precision screwdriver set worth it? So absolutely. If you do DIY repairs or need a reliable toolkit for electronics, this is the budget-friendly and handy option. Okay, so guys, hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to our TechnoWaves channel. So guys, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to our TechnoWaves channel and hit that bell icon so you can never miss any updates from our channel.